What's good, YouTube? So we are back in the 2020 Rex on our way home. A failed mission, I guess. I came to get a haircut, and my appointment was at 12:25, but I thought it was at 12:45, so I missed it. That barber would be busy, so he picked up a walk-in thinking I wasn't coming, so it's all good. But I have to reschedule till next week. Thankfully I work from home, so I don't mind the rough look while I'm home. Just let my hair grow out some more, let things push out more, I guess, my beard and whatnot. But I do need to go back to Ace. Yesterday, I went to Ace in the video that you guys might have saw that I recently posted. I went to Ace and I picked up a shovel, and I'm working outside this morning, and the shovel like snapped in my face, hit me in the forehead. Wasn't too bad at all, didn't leave a mark or anything, but it actually just snapped. It was a wooden shovel. Had my experience with wooden shovels now, so I'll never do that again. But yeah, I want to go see if I can get a refund. But I do want to say, man, I appreciate the views and the support on all the videos, man. I'm gonna try to, keep coming more often with the videos. Keep trying to give as much videos as possible, much content as possible. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if there's something that in particular y'all might want to see as getting to the summertime. I'm actually interested to see if there's anything, like some sort of car meet or something like that I could go to. I want to say Subi. There's a Subi Fest type thing in Connecticut that goes on. I would be interested in going to that this year if it hasn't passed already. I should look up on that. But yeah, man, let me know. If you haven't already, please, man, hit a like on the video, subscribe to the channel. I like doing these videos. If you guys like watching them, let me know. I'm always driving, so when I'm by myself, it's easy to put the camera up right there, or when I'm with my fiance now, even she could hold up the camera. So these are all possibilities now, because I like doing the videos, and ever since that, the first upload and the second upload, I was never expecting a lot of views and stuff like I've mentioned, but I guess the not only feedback but everything we received from it was pretty great. So all of a sudden you slam on your brakes, and where are all these people coming from? But yeah, the response back from all the videos and the views that's blowing my mind. It motivates you, makes you want to do more. Should drive through this dealership, see what they got in there. So that's what I want to do. I want to upload some more, with some more driving in, especially since it's nice summertime. I think it'll be nice and fun. Also, the roads will be nicer. Spring will spring some leaves and stuff, so back roads will be nice to drive on. So this being the POV, majority POV videos is what I've been doing, type thing. Those would be fun to get on. I haven't edited those videos that I recently recorded yesterday yet, so I don't know what those look like, but that was some good driving yesterday. So if those videos come out good and you guys have already seen those, then yeah, like some more stuff like that. Not anything crazy or anything like that, but unless we get into something crazy. My mom has gray hairs as well, so I'm pretty sure it's from that. But I don't know, I kind of like it. Young with gray hair. If my whole head was gray, I think it'd be dope. If it could be full and gray, make it look cool. I don't know, what y'all think? That turbo whistle. It's a nice day out. I already got space to let y'all hear it right now. Hold on. It's the intake too. People can't zipper up there. That's what this traffic is right here. Fast forward through all of this right here, just about this point. And look, perfectly fine when you get past out of here. It's just, you guys just can't drive. Like, it's crazy. You can't merge into a lane together. We gotta stop. Get how them 3 lanes is moving like this, and we are not. A 19-minute video so far, so I could probably break this up, so I'll probably just end this off right here. But I do want to say, man, I really appreciate the views, the likes, man, the comments, the subscribers, man. We hit 245 recently, last time I checked. Like I said, I haven't edited the other ones, so 250 maybe. Man, like, that's crazy to me, man. So if you haven't subscribed already, man, I would really appreciate you if you could subscribe to the channel. It would mean a lot to me as we're trying to grow and, you know, gain a little community together, man. Like, everybody who's been commenting, man, I try to get to your replies. So if I haven't replied to you in a day or two, maybe come back and check it, you know, because I'm always checking, like, you know, like when I got downtime during work or, you know, in the morning or something like that. So I'm always keep replying as best as I could. But yeah, man, don't forget the socials are in the descriptions as well. If you guys want to hit me up and chat on that, especially my Snapchat, I'm a lot more active on Snapchat, which is kind of weird, I guess, because, you know, I could just upload, you know, whatever. It doesn't have to be anything special or real content. So definitely add the Snapchat, and yeah, and Instagram too. The Instagram, I have a few followers, but I need to get more active on that. I'm not even active on my own personal Instagram. So don't blame me on that, but I know that doing this, I do need to be more active. So that's my goal. That's my, that's what I plan to do. So yeah, man, if you like the video, please like, subscribe, let me know what you think, leave a comment below. It's not gonna hurt my feelings. I say that every time.